Hey, one of my clients is doing over $2 million in sales, working about 3 to 4 hours per day. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. Now, first, drum roll, please. She stays in her genius zone. What do I mean by that? Well, first of all, her name is Emma Shamey, former Burgess, and she is a spiritual business coach. She helps female entrepreneurs move from one reality to the next by aligning their energy. So basically what a lot of people get stuck in is that they want something, but they see all the resistance why they shouldn't have it. Now, the way she teaches her stuff, the way she has the tools and methods to get moving from one reality to the next is really something of amazing, and I've experienced it on my own skin. I know it works 100%. Now, the second thing is she knows 100% that everything that she teaches, she has done herself. She knows it works. Many of her clients have had the success. So she knows if people implement, they are going to get results. She shows up for her clients every single day. She shows up for her community every single day. She knows exactly what her clients and customers and followers are going through, and she is here to help them through her programs and methods. She's very consistent in her marketing. She's very consistent with her message, and everything she says, she believes in it 100%. She knows it's the truth, and it's her truth. And to expand her business, she had to stay in her genius zone. She does not spend time learning ads. She does not spend time learning membership sites. She does not spend time learning any of the back office that goes in, the funnels, the email marketing. She does not care about any of that. She outsourced that to my team at Ads Growth Academy, and we take care of everything for her. So in order for you to grow your business, I suggest you stay in your genius zone. You're here to serve your people with your knowledge and expertise. So stop wasting time on very time-consuming tasks and instead outsource to a team that knows how. And if you're looking to grow your business through ads, funnels, or email marketing, my team can definitely help. There is a link right below this video that is going to give you access to us for a 45-minute consultation, which is actually going to help you grow your business without having to do anything. And it's totally free for you to request the proposal. I look forward to speaking with you, and thank you so much for watching this video.